What is up, ADG traders? This is Munya, and here is the best boom and crash trading strategy that you can try it right now and make some profits. As you can see, we're currently in profit on Boom 500. We have talked and discussed about this strategy before, but today we're going to go deeper and looking into different time frames of which you can use this strategy. I'm also going to share with you guys how I managed to get into that trade that you see that's deep in profit, and I'm going to explain to you guys how you can also do the same thing. Now, if you're new to this channel, make sure that you click the subscribe button and turn on your notification bell so that you are notified the next time I post a video. I'll also be announcing the winner for this times VIP signals group. Yes, I'll be announcing a winner, and soon after this strategy, I'll also pick another winner in the next video. Okay, so this is the 1450 strategy. If you've been following my videos, if you have not, make sure you check out my previous video so that you understand what this 1450 strategy is all about. Now, remember, in the previous video I also mentioned that you guys need to take note of the fact that the Boom index is an index that detects a rise in price, right? It's a market that detects a rise in price. Okay, and the opposite is crash, which is a market that detects what, which is an index that basically detects a fall in the market. But as we all know, the market moves up and down. Therefore, it is possible to sell on boom and also to buy on crash. And in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how you can do that. I know a lot of you traders are skeptical about entering into sell trades like this on boom. You're afraid of the spikes, but I'm going to show you that even if spikes come, if you've got the right entry, you will not be affected. Just like if you're on boom, if you're in a buy trade, those crashes will not crash you. Okay, so what I'm going to do right now is remove all the indicators, and we're going to have the step-by-step process of installing the indicators together as usual, because I understand there might be new people here that do not know the exact process. Okay, so what I'm going to do right now is I'll remove everything like this. Okay, and as you can see, I'm left with a blank chart. This is Boom 500. We are in our 5-minute time frame, which is one of the most powerful time frames that we can use, and it is actually where we got this nice sell trade that we're currently in, that you see on my screen. Okay, so the first indicator that we want to install for the 1450 strategy, we are going to install a very simple indicator, which is moving averages. So basically, this whole strategy is made up of moving averages, and they're going to be used to act as our support and resistance, and also as our trend. Remember, for it to be a proper strategy, we have to have indicators, or the indicators have to help us identify our trend. They also have to help us identify our entry points, and they also have to help us identify our exit points. Okay, that is what makes a good strategy. So I'm going to show you the settings, and then we'll jump into how to use those settings. So the first indicator, like I said, is a moving average. So we're going to go to moving average, and the properties for this first indicator are going to be as follows. We're going to have a period of 14. The shift will be 0. The method will be exponential. Apply to close. There are no levels on this indicator, and on visualization, please allow it to be on all time frames so that you can switch around all the time frames and play around them. Like I said, this strategy can be applied on any time frame. Okay, make sure you watch the first video, which is right before this one, and so that you get the whole picture of the whole strategy. Okay, and then on the styling, we're going to change this to a green color, and then we're going to click done, and as you can see, we now have that green color right there. The next thing, we need to add another indicator, so I'm going to go back to my indicators section. We're going to click where it says main window, then moving average. Then on moving average, we're going to change these properties. The period is going to change to 50. Everything else is going to remain the same. The shift will remain as 0. The method will remain as exponential. Apply to close all time frames. What we're going to change is our style. I'll change it to red and I'll click done. As you can see, we now have that red moving average on our charts. Okay, then next we want to install our indicator window 1, which is then going to help us firstly identify the momentum of the market. So before you even go to our main chart, we first need to have an idea of the momentum of the market. Okay, so that is going to come from our indicator window 1. So I'm going to go back to my indicator section. I'm going to click my main window and we're going to choose the stochastic oscillator, and it is going to have the following properties. We've got a percentage K period of 1, a percentage D period of 1, a slowing of 1, a price field of low over high, a method of simple, and we're going to have these two important levels. We're going to have the buy level, which is going to be level 20 and below, and we're going to have the sell level, which is going to be level 80 and above. Okay, the styling is black right there, and you can click done. And again, on visualization, allow it to be on all time frames. And then on the styling now, please take note of this fact that the main in the signal should have the same color as your background. So I'm on a white background and my main in signal have got that white color. So if I click done, you see that we now have an indicator window 1 down here, where we have our sells on, our buys on, and nothing else inside, which is exactly what we want. Okay, now in our indicator window 1, we need one indicator that's going to help us with the momentum. So going back to our indicator section, I'm going to go to my indicator window 1, and on my indicator window 1, I'm going to add a moving average, and this moving average will have the following properties, right? We're going to change this period to 10. Okay, we're going to change this period to 10, and the shift will remain at 0. The mirror is exponential. Apply to close, and visualization is on all time frames again. And then the style, I'll change this one to black. Okay, done. Now as you can see, this is the strategy that I had at the beginning of this video, and I want to share with you guys now how it works. Okay, I'll also be posting these settings in our free Telegram channel. The link is in the description box below if you want to check it out. There are over 7,000 traders in that group, and in that group I share setups, I share my trading results, I share any trading materials that can help you grow, be it indicators, strategies, formulas, anything that can help you grow, motivation. So if you want to be part of that group, it's completely free to join. That's the only free group we have. So if you want to be part of a community of traders, like I said, there are over 7,000 traders, 7,500 traders in there. So if you want to be part of us, make sure you click the link in the description box below and join for free. If you click the link, it will take you straight to our Telegram channel and you can join for free. Now, like I said, in our Telegram channel, I also post results from our VIP Signals group and also my personal results. So this time's winner for our VIP Signals group promotion is going to be Justice Jerry, and basically you were the first person to comment and you said you are the best in trading and my mentor. So Justice, please contact us and we'll add you to our VIP Signals group, and you'll be able to enjoy trading with us for the next 30 days for free. Yes, all you have to do to win a slot in our VIP Signals group for free is to be the first to comment, but make sure that you have liked the video and make sure that you are a subscriber. And the next winner is going to be someone with the most liked comment. So comment something down below, and if your comment has the most number of likes, then you win our free VIP Signals. It's that simple. Make sure that you're a subscriber, you like this video, comment down below something that's interesting, something that people are going to like, and the one with the highest number of likes on a comment is going to get 30 days of free signals of trading with me, trading these trades. Actually, I posted this trade in our VIP Signals group, so everyone from our VIP Signals group is making money out of this trade that I'm about to show you. But you guys get to benefit, get to enjoy how I actually got the the trade. So I'm going to explain to you that right now. The first thing that I did on this one is I went on to my 1 hour time frame. I wanted to have a bigger picture of what is happening in the market, and I wanted to see the momentum of the market. And then from that, I will then go to a lower time frame and look for entries. Okay, so here's what happened. I went to my 1 hour time frame, number one, and I saw that my momentum indicator, which is this black line, has reached my sell zone, right? So I could see my black line right above my sell level, which means that I should start up anticipating sells. Okay, but I didn't end there. I went on to my chart to look for price action because I obviously want to enter a trade after it has been confirmed with one or two things, right? And from my 1 hour, on my main chart, I could see that there's something that happened here on my entry. Let me point it out to you. I saw my candlesticks or my price breaking at that green line and crossing to be below it. And that's when I knew that if I go to my lower time frame, I'm going to get a trade. I'm going to show you how you get a trade from the lower time frame. But once these two things have been confirmed from a high time frame like this, your 1 hour time frame, you can see that your price action is confirmed that we are most likely going to push down for a while now. I'm in my 1 hour time frame, which means that I am actually getting a bigger picture, or I'm being told the bigger representation of the market. And then I went to my 5-minute time frame for my entry. And remember, from your 5-minute time frame, those that watched the first video, remember the first rules then start to apply. You then look for the position of your black line again. Just you have to confirm where it is, and in this case it was still at the sell zone, coming from the sell zone going down. You then go to your main chart, and like we said in the previous video, when you see your price then the green line crossing to be below the red line, you know that a sell has been confirmed, right? So I then used my initial conditions for trading, right? Most of you that watched the first video should be able to understand this. If you haven't, still go back and try and see the first conditions, but they are the same. Basically, you have to wait for the green line to cross to be below the red line like that if you want to enter into a sell trade. At the same time, you want to have your black line anyway close to that 80 level, which is our sell zone. And as you can see from that region, we entered into a massive sell and we were deep in profit. Okay, so it was as simple as that. That's how we managed to catch that trade, and that's how you can catch so many of them. I actually wanted to show you another trade right here that we missed. I actually wanted to trade this one, but we missed it. Here was another trade. We were in our buy zone right there, and we could see that our lines crossed each other. So we experienced a series of spikes right here soon after. Can you see? Our strategy had already picked it up. We were in a buy level, and the green line then crossed to be above the red line, signifying a buy momentum. And from that point, we went all the way up. These are almost zero drawdown trades if you enter correctly, and we'll keep on having more and more explanations on this trade. If you want a part 3, make sure you comment down below that we want part 3, and I'll even go deeper into it. If you guys want a seminar in Harare, comment we want a seminar in Harare so that we can talk face to face, mentorship and all that, because I'm available right now. Okay, so tell me guys what you think about this strategy. Make sure you apply it correctly. You can do the same thing even on crash, even on boom, and actually in the next series of videos we're actually going to be doing exactly that. So tell me guys what you think. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, and if you want to be the next winner for our VIP Signals group, make sure that you like this video, you are a subscriber, and you comment down below. And if your comment gets the most number of likes on it, then you are the next winner. So